Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Netflix. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you head over to the Netflix app, click around and you'll see that there's no actual option within the Netflix app to change the language. It has the option to change the display language, so it chooses the language of the text you see on Netflix across all devices. But that only changes things like your default language and audio for subtitles. If you want to change the language of the Netflix app, you need to log into your account through a web browser. So head over to your web browser and go to netflix.com and log in. Once you're in the account section of netflix.com, scroll all the way down until you get to Profile and Parental Controls, and then tap on one of the drop down boxes, and here you can change the language. So mine's currently set to English, so if I want to change it, if I click on that, I can then choose which language I want to change it to. So if I want to change it to, say, Japanese, I can tap on that option, scroll down, hit save, and you'll see that everything in my profile is now in Japanese. And that's all it takes to change your language on Netflix. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.